Hi guys, so I'm making my first, vlog video. It's my first time coming out of the house, actually like going somewhere by myself. Usually I'm with my dad or his girlfriend, but if it's not that, I'm usually like staying in my bed because yeah, I don't have any like friends out here yet, but probably because I stay in the bed so much and I don't know anybody yet. So yeah, I'm making my first trip to the music store. This is Stella, guys. She's my babe. It's my second guitar. But yeah, just making a video to, you know, I said I was gonna vlog, so I'm just telling you guys something I'm doing. But yeah, that was it. So okay, bye.